I don't really want to fight her in tower range. I cancelled the fucking auto, man. I'm playing really bad, bro. These auto cancels are horrible. I'm green. Oh, Ram is bot. Okay, we're fine. We're fine then. I think I'll just take the tower, to be honest. Fuck it, dude. Let's take it. Those trolling patterns. Yeah, I mean, I know, like, people are gonna troll with this, for sure. And Riot Games' punishment system is probably not gonna punish those individuals, but... yeah. Yeah, fuck it. No, not that. Fuck it. But yeah, just gotta hope, I guess, that they figure it out quick. That's pretty much, I feel, all they can do. Does Olaf feel clunky? I haven't played Olaf since season 9, so I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know. Never really clicked with that champion though, so. But I guess he does feel kind of slow once your like W attack speed buff runs out, so maybe it's that. Okay, line. Okay, I'll already back off because I know where Camille is. She might be moving top. I'm strong, but I don't know if I want to 1v2 necessarily. Oh. No, they lane swap. I guess. Oh, she's dead. Lucky. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. The rest of the world won't follow. Not on my watch. Okay, throwing a bit. Damn, we had a huge fucking lead. Now it's gone. So, we had such a huge lead. What happened?
Well, the end of the world isn't gonna stop itself.
I guess I can't leave mid now.